handle. So, out the back. Right, step in there. Okay. I'm getting you a slight push. Yeah? Yep. Careful. This back. Hold it. I'm prepping the dryer to be stacked on the washer.
It's exciting.
Yeah. You gotta take it with the feet. Then there's a little plate that bolts to the front of this. Brackets go on the back. And then it gets taped down, basically.
Taped down?
Taped down.
That sounds secure.
That's the plan, David.
Okay.
Secured.
Yep, it just double side tapes together.
Yeah.
Once that's hooked up, you'll be off laundry duty.
We still don't have water, so no.
Now the fun part.
Yeah. I have to, I guess, go past it and turn it so we can bring the back on.
Yeah. Do we have anything so we could set it on top here so the other guy could go around so they can get to the backside? Like just a towel or anything to put down?
Yeah. Okay. This might not be that bad. We can just go straight up from here. You can tip back my way if that helps first. Yeah. I can tip back. Get a boot underneath it. And you're good to go. Yep. And then going up. Is it higher? Alright. You got the front there? I got the front. Did you pull the towel when Logan and I lift?
Yep. Got it.
Okay. You good?
Just didn't want to let it down so it could scrape.
Yeah, it's very close. Close. Everybody wait. Just wait.
It'd be easier if nobody was watching you.
So just tip. No, I work better under pressure.
Not under dryers.
Good. And now they are glued together. Spin cycle. Cool. That's actually the metal on the washer bending.
If Tesla's glue bumpers on or tape bumpers on, I got no worries with this.
Have you seen Tesla's glue?
Oh, it's some wild stuff.
Yeah.
But it's kind of wild that you think, no, that bumper is just glued on.
Our appliances are here. This is so exciting. The fridge isn't going to fit through the sliding door, so I told him to put it in the garage for now, but Dylan will get it in here.
The last time it rained, which is 3 weeks plus ago, the water came on. Maybe the water will come on again.
Please.
You see the hose out there in the trench? See, that's where the water line runs.
And I've been thawing the ground with a garden hose and underneath with a heater and everything else I could possibly think of doing. And it's not on yet. But maybe the rain will change that. Because pretty spoiled having water for 4 days, 3 weeks ago. Since then, got a dishwasher. Probably installed right, but I haven't fully installed it because I need to make sure it doesn't leak. But I can't do that because I haven't had water on. I do still need to buy a sink because the sink I did buy doesn't fit. Put the water on will motivate me to do that.
You don't have one ordered yet?
No.
That's what the water's waiting for.
No.
A sink.
No. So while I was gone, the stove came.
Yes, it did.
And the fridge came. It's out there somewhere.
They just put it in the garage, got the stove in here, and there's an issue.
What's the issue?
I'll show you.
Wrong plug? Something's broken? Scratched it? Did they do that?
I don't know. I didn't see it when they were coming in.
Okay.
I saw it once they had left. So it is an actual scratch.
Okay. Well, it's not the end of the world, but it also wasn't cheap. So here's hoping they come good. But
Yeah.
you might get to cook on a stove right now if you want.
So I pulled out meat.
Oh wow! Oh, wow! You got a bunch of it.
Yeah. We can make some real food.
Whoa!
But I can't wait. It's going to be so good. We'll actually be able to use 2 pans at one time instead of just one pan and your entire stove top's taken up.
Yeah.
And use the oven and cook actual food and cook more than one of your breakfast pizzas at one time.
Right.
I'm really excited.
It'd be nice to eat actual food. I'm getting pretty sick of the fake stuff.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, I will slide it in.
It actually slides in. So
It's going to fit?
barely. We'll see by the time it gets to the back, but that side could easily be ripped down on the table saw. And then I'll attach it later. Cool.
That's beautiful.
Maybe I'll do it now.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about not having the back piece on it. I don't actually like that too much.
I'm gonna turn the breaker on.
Okay. There it is.
Come on.
Yep.
Nice.
Wow. I have to move those, but we good? How do you work this thing? Oh, where's the instructions?
We don't use instructions around here. We figure it out. And we
Yeah.
get frustrated. And we try really hard. And we despise instructions. And then you get pretty far. And then there's something you cannot figure out. So you'll only look at that page in the instructions. Just as a reference, of course. And then you'll figure it out.
So you figure it out and tell me how to work it, and then I'll make you do it.
Okay.
Water came back on 5 a.m. yesterday. So we've had some showers, cleaned up a little, and I finished installing the dishwasher. And normally this pile's much bigger because we'll only do dishes every few days because we have to take it somewhere to do that. But it's a good trial. I did a test run just for a few minutes and then a drain to make sure nothing was leaking. When I slid it in, it's not fully installed, so it can slide. But I want to put a real test through it before I run screws and everything. But I'm actually gonna load it up. Give her a go. Are you excited?
Yeah. It's gonna be so good.
There's definitely no pre-rinsing in this house right now.
Not right now.
Not right now.
We don't have a sink yet.
Not over here. This is weird.
It's been a long time.
Also, like, curious how great this dishwasher is going to do. It's, oh, look at that. I mean, chocolate buildup on that one. That'll be a good test. I'm curious because with the 1-inch line that I ran here, the water pressure is great.
Yeah.
Like, there's so much volume that maybe this will work better than I remember dishwashers work. Top rack. Smoothie maker. Let's use liquid soap. Remember when we used to do too much and then it would foam out?
Yes. And then there's bubbles all over the floor.
Oh yeah.
You gotta figure it out.
Check this out. Ready? Okay. Normal. 3 hours is normal. Quick wash 105. Soak and clean 8 hours and 3 minutes.
Oh my.
Sensor is 324. Heavy is 416. Let's see how it does sensor wise. And here we go.
Dishwasher's done.
Oh, no ways. Let's see. Have you seen?
No,
Okay.
I haven't opened it yet.
Grand reveal. Wow. This is what we do for excitement, eh?
Yep.
What do you think? Oh, you want to see too?
Ta-da!
Wow. Look in there. Okay. I know some of the bowls had some dried smoothie in it. Oh, they're hot.
Yeah. Especially that one that you're picking up next. How is it? Very good.
Wow. I'd let you touch it, but it's really hot. What do you think? So good. Now the smoothie maker. Huh.
It actually looks so clean.
Yeah. A lot of heat in there too.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Wow.
Fantastic.
Washer's hooked up, dryer's not.
Okay.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
On button for the first time.
Okay.
Turn that breaker on. Forgot I changed the wire, so that's on a different breaker. Okay, I'm gonna do a fash wash for the first cycle. Corey has some like kinda clean clothes that we can do. Hey Corey, can you grab your laundry? We're gonna try the washing machine. Yeah, it looks like they could pop.
We have new ones if you want.
No, I want to use these ones. Use Tide Pods for best result. Oh, somebody partner with Tide. So it says 2 max. I'm gonna do 1. It didn't say like 1 minimal though. Maybe you can use none
You could if you just want to rinse your clothes.
and start. Just doing the 15-minute fast wash
Yeah.
for that first try. Make sure it all works. Sure, it's fine. Alright, a super quick rough-in. Just enough to see if she works. I gotta go outside and to the soffit and pull the insulation that I used to plug the draft and give her a go.
Right there. I'm actually gonna throw a 90 on that. Yeah, so had one on this side and one on the inside. Keep it from blowing cold air in during the winter. Holy smokes, there's a bunch in there. There, that's it. And then for the time being, so we'll put the soffit stuff on. Let's put this over the end. Hopefully. Ha! There we go. That should work for the test room. The power works. Gonna switch this door to this side, I think. Just not today. Go with normal. Nice. Let's check and see if any air is leaking. Take that out of here. That's the plug inside. Well, heck yeah. First load done, and it's dry. Awesome. Brand new dryer. Empty. Doesn't matter. It's worse full, but empty. Must be a bad bearing or something. Because the washer was making noise too, so it's like double crappy. And the worst part about all that is I bought these 2 years ago and they've been in an insulated heated shipping container ever since in their box. So unboxed them to bring them in here. This happens, but all that means no warranty. They're gonna disassemble a little bit. Sounds like multiple things are squeaking, not just one failed thing. Something feels aggressive. Okay, pulling the tensioner pulley out of the way. Like that, I don't hear any squeals. Have to run to the hanger, get some white lithium grease. Still gotta use it on the planes, it's gotta go back, I won't forget. All back together. Goal is to not hear a squeak. Might be good. That might be fixed. Close in. Cool, guess that was right. It's just the idle.